First of all, huge congratulations, Mahith, for securing 100 percentile and becoming Andhra Pradesh topper in JEE main. So, before moving on to your journey, first I want to know about you and your family.
Hi, I am N. Mahith. I am studying in Narayana Junior College, Tirupati. My father name is L. Narendra Babu and he is a maths lecturer. My mother name is C. Nagaratna and she is a housewife.
Okay, so Mahith, what was your reaction when you first saw the result?
I was shocked and I felt very happy while seeing my result.
Okay, so what was your family's reaction?
They felt very happy with that result. I started to prepare for JEE still in 11th standard. Middle of the 11th standard, I focused on my studies. Before that, I was not that much a studious person.
Okay, okay. When did you decide that you have to appear for this JEE?
11th class.
11th class. Was there any specific person or moment that inspired you?
No.
How did you approach your preparation in the early days?
In the early days, it was too difficult for me to handle the problems and the difficulty level in the paper. I used to learn from my friends, teachers. They helped me a lot to improve my knowledge, and finally I am.
Yes, you are here. Yes, that's absolutely correct. So, how did Narayana aid in your preparation?
Narayana's Learn program helped me a lot. Their online tests were almost equal to JEE mains, JEE pattern papers. It resembled the screening pattern of the JEE, which made us a good practice before the examinations. And every time mock tests, daily practice, and micro schedule helped me a lot. While learning, we have perfect timetable in Narayana. While practicing, we have got assignments which helped us a lot, and our staff helped us a lot.
Okay, so that means clubbing all these, so you got the result in front of you.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so talking about the subject, so out of physics, chemistry and mathematics, which subject was the one in which you struggled actually?
Initially, I struggled in chemistry, ma'am,
Okay.
but it became my strength afterwards. Then I struggled in physics.
Okay.
Then thereafter, I tried to improve in it.
Okay, so how did you tackle?
I asked my teachers what can I do to improve in these subjects. They gave instructions and those worked.
Okay, so you just followed those instructions?
Yes.
That's amazing. What was your daily schedule looks like?
I am not like everyone. I sleep early in the night, nearly 9 p.m. and I wake up early morning 4 a.m.
Okay, so you are that early bird.
Yes.
Yes? Okay, okay. So sometimes you might have gotten exhausted because when we are preparing for such exams, sometimes we get exhausted, stressed, burnt out. So how did you tackle with such situations at that moment?
In those moments, if I was in college, I used to talk with my friends.
Okay, so you just divert your mind. What was your first thought when you, when the paper was in front of you? Were you confused? Were you nervous? Were you excited?
I was confident while writing the exam. I thought I would crack it before the exam.
Okay, that's amazing. So when the exam date got released, okay, so students get sometimes confused that okay, what they should focus on to, what they shouldn't focus on to. So with that, what tips do you want to suggest?
You should have patience while learning, and you should learn everything clearly. Learning is the first step. Practice those. Follow notes given by our teachers perfectly, and you should learn every concept which is present in your notes, and follow Narayana modules which have every type of question from in there. There will be nearly 4 levels, ma'am. 1, 2, 3, 4. Their difficulty levels would be increasing from 1 to 4. You try to solve those problems which can increase our.
Yes, because when we are shifting from level 1 to 2, that means our brain has learned about that.
Yes, ma'am.
Correct. So we have shifted. So we are shifting our versions also. Yes. Okay. Now coming to your main thing, JEE main is done. Okay. Now it's the time for JEE advanced. Have you shifted your gaze for that?
Yes, ma'am.
So have you made some change in the preparation strategy?
No.
No, the same one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and with this coming to the last question, what tips do you want to give to your fellow aspirants who have to appear for JEE?
They should be consistent in every exam. Sometimes there will be downfall, but we should not feel very much for those exams. Feeling doesn't give anything to us.
Then obviously everyone is going to rock. Yes. Okay. With this, thank you so much, Mahith, and congratulations once again, and all the very best for your JEE Advanced.
Thank you, ma'am.